Hello everyone! It's story time once again with Majid. Now, in the last story, we heard about how the baby animals, namely the kid, the kitten, the fawn, the cygnet, the caterpillar, and the cub got admitted to the wonderful animal school. And the teacher was the absolutely awesome Mr. Abu, the chimpanzee. And just before the school was to start the next day, Mr. Abu made a surprise announcement over the jungle radio.
Hello, hello, hello. All you animal babies who are starting school tomorrow. Well, it's going to be fun time for you. So the first day of school I announce, bring your best friend or buddy to school day.
Yippee! The animals were super excited and so happy because they now got to take their best friend along to school. The first day of the school dawned bright and happy. Now the kid or the baby goat got best friend the lamb or the baby sheep along. And they came jumping and chattering and happily to school. Next came the kitten or the baby cat. And the kitten got the puppy or the baby dog who had come visiting her from the city. And they both kept meowing and woof woof all along. And after this came the fawn or the baby deer. And the baby deer got along best friend the colt or the baby zebra. And together they looked so colorful, brown and white spots along with black and white stripes. Now the cygnet or the baby swan got best friend duckling or baby duck along. And they looked so elegant walking together with their webbed feet. Then came the caterpillar who was brought to school on a leaf by Mama Butterfly, along with best friend the larva or the baby bee. And the baby bee just kept humming excitedly. And last came the cub or baby bear with best friend the baby panda, also known as the cub. And Abu the teacher immediately gave them some initials. CB meaning cub bear and CP meaning cub panda, so that there was no confusion. And there was so much of excitement and thrill on the first day of school. The baby animals ran around the trees, down the slides, and even rolled on the green grass. When it was snack time, Mr. Abu announced that everyone would eat together under the tree, just like a picnic. Everyone took out their tiffins, and there was such a spread. There was green grass, juicy leaves, sweet honey, lots of milk, and even some tiny worms and fish. And just before everyone started to eat, Mr. Abu, their wonderful teacher, led everyone to sing a song of thankfulness. And that's how they all went together. We're thankful for our family, we're thankful for our friends, we're thankful for the things we have, the thank yous never end. The thank you song indeed put everyone into a happier state. The animal babies were extra happy because they had their best friends along with them. And that made them more excited for the upcoming school day. So children, do your friends make you happy? Who is your best friend who you would want to take to school? Come on, tell your teacher, tell your mama and papa, tell your grandparents, or even write to us. Whom would you like to take to school on Bring Your Buddy to School Day? Till then, see you soon.